Okay, 16 divided by 4 times 2 plus 2, just like the way we did the math in the previous class, my previous video, is also similar, but you must always learn to apply your board math rules. But there are a lot of different ways people used to solve this. So, and most of the people that solve this with their method get it wrongly. Like, for example, if you want to solve this equation, some people will do this first. Like, we have 4, then they will times it with 4, and here will be what, 16. Then before you now divide like this, which is what equals to 1. But this method is not correct. If you check order of operation, board mass, board mass state that we have to first of all solve this bracket, then followed by division. You are not multiplying first. You must do division first before multiplication. So if we are doing division before multiplication, we are not going to get 1. Our answer will not be 1. So it will be like this. Here will be what? 4. There is a visible multiplication because if a number is close to parentheses, it's multiplication. So put it here, divide by 16 like this. So now we have two operators, division and multiplication. And if you check our order of operation, division comes before multiplication because we are solving from left to right. So here will be what? 16 divided by 4 will give us 4 times this 4, which is equal to what? 16. And this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, share this video, like the video, and let's grow together. Thank you for watching.